Hi guys, I'm Vanessa again. And this is the dietary supplement. This is a magnesium 12 in 1 complex, 12 active magnesium types, guys. As you can see, this is from Tutoria Health. They have a glycinate, citrate, malachite, asterate, gluconite, ascorbate, taurite, oxide, lactate, carbonate, chloride, and orotate. 700 milligrams, 120 capsules made in USA, as you can see the flag here, guys. And you can take one capsules daily, preferably with a meal and a water. So you can take one of these. Let's new open it. You can take this one a day.